5 Best Vacuum for Husky Hair Reviews. Number 1. Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet. Bissell is an ideal vacuum for cleaning pet hair without any pitfalls. We know pet hair often gets stuck and even twisted across the brush. Regarding this aspect, the Bissell CleanView won't let you face an issue. Moreover, it is easy to operate with the see-through design. The cleaning path width is 13.5 in, which seems quite wider to go for edge-to-edge cleaning no matters what obstacles it comes across. Moreover, you will get to see a specialized tool under the hood designed to pick up pet hair. The key reason we place Bissell on the top pick because of these features. The triple action brush roll allows you to immaculate hidden pet hair from hard floors. On the other hand, scatter-free technology gives you the least hard time to clean maximum debris. Number 2. Dyson V11 Animal Cordless Vacuum. When looking for a cordless vacuum to clean up pet hair, then introduce it with the most innovative Dyson V11 Animal. It unleashes amazing suction power as a battery-operated device, giving you a big push to buy it right away. As you know, it is a cordless cleaner, so no worry about the suction power of it. The 220 volts makes it an immersive suction-based cleaner. Moreover, this amazing vacuum runs in 3 modes: Eco Mode, Boost Mode, and Auto Mode. That being said, you will find great ease of cleaning up to get the precision of suctioning. Apart from it, you can track battery life on 3 different levels under the LCD. The whole unit is insanely lightweight and cordless, which allows you to take it anywhere and pick up pet hair. Number 3. Shark Rotator Powered Lift-Away TruePet. Shark Rotator is another best vacuum for its fingertip control and advanced filtration system. The fingertip control of it lets you switch the cleaning mode from carpet to hardwood floors. As a result, you can get the full suction to pick up dust, debris, and dirt by adjusting the cleaning mode. Besides, the swivel head of it allows you to clean the hard-to-reach areas. On top of that, LED lights on the head show you all the hidden dirt and efficiently let you take on them. Therefore, it comes with a mini motorized brush that performs the best on stairs. The only issue we come across is you can't store the tools on board. The noteworthy feature of this Shark Vac is powered lift-away mode. It lets you detach the canister and allow you to use it as a handheld vacuum. You can reach those tight spaces like under furniture with ease and clean the spot thoroughly in return. Number 4. iRobot Roomba i7 Plus. iRobot Roomba i7 is the best robot vacuum for Husky Hair. We bring it on this list for its automatic dirt disposal system, powerful suction, and smart mapping system. You don't need to be worried about emptying the bin, as the automatic dirt disposal system does it for you. It empties the dirt canister for up to 60 days. The premium 3-stage cleaning system and 10x power lifting suction are the best features of this Roomba. With them, you can pull out stubborn debris, dust, and dirt effortlessly. The V-Slam navigation and smart mapping feature creates a cleaning route and cleans your home according to these. You can also set the cleaning schedule so that it performs the cleaning workflow routinely. The con of this Roomba is it showed localization error when it mapped 2 cleaning areas. Number 5. Miele Complete C3. At number 5, we bring Miele Complete C3 for its ultimate cleaning power, durability, and pet odor removal solution. The 1200W Vortex motor generates enough suction to handle stubborn dust and dirt. Besides, the Electro Plus Electro Brush with 5-level height adjustment provides ample cleaning power to cover large rooms. Afterward, the construction material of this vac makes it durable. It is made of stainless steel wand and specialized ABS plastic. That means it builds for the last. The AirClean sealed system doesn't only sanitize your home but also clean the air. On top of that, the HEPA air filter can capture 99.97% of allergens and particles and improve air quality. So, pet odors and smells will not be a problem as it filters the air. Therefore, this vac features a mini turbo brush that allows eliminating pet hair.